what up, everybody? Just getting ready to walk and get me some lunch. Going to try this taco restaurant that I found last night. Let's go. Here I do. Yeah, they got a museum over there, but I don't think you're allowed to record or anything in there. But I might take a look through there, just talk about a little bit about the history of Okinawa, and might have some like items from like the wars and stuff in there. How like the military used to occupy Okinawa. It's cool always seeing how the country changed or the city changed over the years. If you find any value in the content that I create, please like and subscribe so you can be alerted anytime I make a video. Thank you. Yeah, it's a weekday around like 1 o'clock, so you won't see too many people out walking around, everybody at work. This is where people come and get the fake jerseys. Oh yeah, I think I remember that store. That store used to be across the street. People used to get in trouble going to that store. Want to get BB guns and shoot up barracks rooms and stuff. Oh, a new ramen restaurant. I just noticed they got the Blue Cafe over there, get some jerk chicken. But I think they only open like Thursday to Sunday or something like that. So I might try that tomorrow. Then that building with the yellow sign on there, that's the first time I had a deep fried grilled cheese. That's where a lot of the contractors for the military bases get their food at. Call them bento boxes. Glad they got a nice breeze today. Yeah, this is my first day being here with having no rain. Got me thinking about going to the seawall. Got a nice breeze going. Go. Rulers, taco rice. I'm gonna go over here and order me some food and sit down and chill. Be right back. Got to check it out. But that taco rice was good. Not quite like King Taco, but I recommend it. Check it out if you're ever in Okinawa. But about to go try to find a taxi that could get me on base so I could go pick me up some things that I can't get in the Philippines.